ang view. So, doon pa pala kami papunta guys. Ang ganda ng water. Blue. Crystal blue talaga ang water. Yan. Karating lang namin guys ng Uslog guys. Saan na yan sila? Yun, so doon kami papunta guys. So we are here now from Zamboanga City. Yun, oh, ganda ng ano, oh, blue. Very nice water, oh guys. Blue. Blue-green. Pero malalim pa rin yan, oh. Lang guys.